To check your Android battery health, you have few options. Option 1, you can check your battery health by using an app called ELECTRON. ELECTRON is a good app which have a lot of information concerning your battery health and general information which shows your battery health, status of charging, there's charge type, temperature, there's information of, you can set an alarm, you can see the app usage time for today or for that day, and the most important thing, this app can show you some tips which will help you to keep your bed more healthier and last long. And this is a good app, and I suggest you find it and use it to know your battery health status. Also, you can check your battery health by using built-in app like this phone master app. In this app, there is a lot of feature. There is something called charge report. Let's see this charge report. In charge report, you can see the report of your battery charging. Let's say, for example, here you see overcharge. It gives you information of charging when you charge your battery. When you overcharge it, it will show you when and how to avoid it. Also, there is this power saving mode. When you turn this power saving mode on, it will help you to save the power of your battery. So this is a good app, and I suggest you to find it if it is not in your phone, because this is a built-in app in this phone which I use. So I don't know if you can install it in your phone, but it is a good app, and I hope you will find it. Thank you.